Alright, you guys, so today is Halloween Eve, the day before Halloween, and we are going to do these pretzel dipping kits. Do y'all evil laugh? Do your evil laugh? What's your evil laugh? Y'all see that?
Yeah.
That little boy wrote on my walls. It had to be this one right here, and you should know better. I literally just saw that, but that we gonna carry on.
But if you don't cobalt, he's out.
He slapped. All right, so open the box. Boy, be quiet. This is why we can't go live. Right here. Because y'all be having all these issues. I said open it. I ain't say make all the noise. Wait, let's see what it comes. That's all it come with? Yeah. Oh, okay. I didn't see the pretzels at first. Hold on. Ace down. This probably just broke. So we have red melting wafers. What? And what's this? Dark chocolate flavored melting wafers. Okay. We have the little eyeballs, and then those are the pretzels. Let's read the directions. So put the eye candy in one of those cups. Well, put it into. I brought 2 cups, so put some in both cups. Put the other cup in. Get that cup.
You don't have to. I didn't eat it.
It just came off on your lip, the black part.
Black part? Try it.
I don't care. All right, you done? The instruction says, set up your workstation with melting wafer tubs. Okay, so they want me to melt the, what's this called? They want me to melt these, I guess. Let me open them and see what it looks like, because like, what?
You should wear one that. Okay, I'll put this one.
Plenty of spoons, candy eyes, and a small bowl, and baking sheets. Yes, open it. And baking sheets covered with aluminum foil or parchment paper.
What?
So you guys, I did not read these. Okay, I can talk when I'm talking. I did not read these instructions ahead of time, so I ain't got no aluminum foil or parchment paper. So hopefully this
I got this out here.
I think it's called a casserole dish. Hopefully you're working and don't stick.
I want to eat this.
Maybe I should put like some butter.
This is chocolate.
I should put like some oil at the bottom, like rub it with some oil, and maybe it won't stick. I'm gonna try. So this is what the wafers look like, and I have to go melt them.
Yeah. And you got the eyeballs.
Alright guys, so we took it out of the oven. We about to give it a stir. I put a little bit of water in it. So let's make sure, let me make sure it's not too hot still. Okay, it's not. Go ahead and stir it.
It's hot.
Is it hard?
Yeah. Yeah, it's hard.
Oh, let me see.
I can stir it.
Alright y'all, so we stirred them up. I put a little water on the top once I took it out the oven. Stirred them up. This one's still a little clumpy, but we're just gonna move on to the next step. I greased the bottom of this pan of this casserole dish with rapeseed oil. Now we're about to put the pretzels, dip the pretzels in the icing.
Yeah, this called this guy called Halloween, but it's different. I don't know what it's called.
It's called the pretzel dipping kit.
Oh, pretzel dipping kit. It has two cheese in this. And make sure to brush your teeth.
What?
Brush your teeth.
Yeah, make sure you brush your teeth after you eat this and before you go to bed. So you won't have all the sweet stuff and the pretzel all in your teeth.
Oh, stop.
You can go ahead and dip it and then set it in the pan, in the dish. But you might have to tilt it to the side. Hold on. I might have to record us. Wait, that ain't it. Or if you can't reach, just shut it. Or D'Angelo, not the whole freaking thing. Just at the top and lay it in here.
See you later. What are you doing with you? What is this, dear?
I just do like that.
This is sweet.
You turn it down.
The rest is black.
D'Angelo. Hold it, pick up the bowl, and like tilt it. Excuse me. Pick up the cup and tilt it to the side.
Tip it to the side.
Go ahead. What's next?
The eyeballs.
Yes, we have to put the eyeballs on. Just put them on however y'all want to. I don't really care.
Those are speakers, actually.
Yeah, you can sprinkle them on. They should stay. You just gotta be kind of fast before the icing gets hard.
I need to go on. I only got one. The icing only got one.
Hurry up then.
Yeah.
Hold on. It's already hard. I'm just gonna,
Taste it.
I'm gonna sprinkle some more.
I think once it tastes it.
And then put it on the wet part. And just sprinkle it on. Hurry up. So are these chocolates?
Yeah, they are.
Don't put so many on.
I put one upside down. And one don't see the whole thing. I will see the whole thing.
Make sure they on the pretzel.
Spicy bite. What's for y'all?
Go. You guys, so they are done putting their eyeballs on. I didn't really know them. I put them to do what they wanted to do. start wiping and stuff on your shirt. So we're gonna put them in the refrigerator, and then when they get harder, then it has to get like the icing has to get hard. It has to get cold, and then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator, and then